No money? No problem. These 5 side hustles need nothing but your phone or laptop, and they actually work in 2025. I'll show you step by step how to go from zero to real money online. No degree, no startup cash, no experience needed. We're skipping the boring, complicated stuff. These are the fastest, easiest ways to start earning from your bedroom. My team tried these and made their first dollar in less than 24 hours. I'm breaking down 5 methods using free tools, everything from digital files to faceless YouTube channels. By the end, you'll have a clear path to your first online paycheck. Which one will you choose? Let's get into it. First up, selling digital printables on Etsy using Canva. Printables are digital files, planners, trackers, and wall art that buyers download and print at home. Create it once, sell it forever. It's legal money printing. Use Canva's free version with thousands of templates, no design skills needed. Find a template, tweak the text and colors, and you've got a product. Research on Etsy. Search digital planner or wall art to see what's selling. Don't copy, get inspired. Simple checklists and quotes sell like crazy. Niche down. Wedding printables, baby shower games, budget trackers. These are gold mines. Make your design in Canva, download as a PDF. Set up a free Etsy seller account. Use a referral link for free listings. List your product with a keyword-rich title and description. Set your price. $3 to $5 is perfect for starters. When someone buys, Etsy delivers the file automatically. You get paid even while you sleep. Create 20, 30, or 50 products. Each one is a passive income stream. Bundle products for higher prices. Make seasonal items for holidays. Your only investment is time, and the potential is unlimited. The more you create, the more you learn what sells. Scale up by adding new designs and bundles. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly, zero-cost side hustle. Start today, and you could make your first sale in hours. No inventory, no shipping, no risk. Just creativity, Canva, and a little hustle. Ready to turn digital air into real cash? Let's move to the next hustle. Side hustle 2. Affiliate marketing on TikTok. No dancing, no face, and no followers needed. TikTok's algorithm can make any good video go viral, even with a new account. Find a product to promote. Amazon products, software, or digital courses. Sign up for the affiliate program. Get your unique link. Make simple TikTok videos about the product. Use existing photos or clips. Edit with CapCut. Add trending music and text. Create a faceless theme page like Amazon Finds or Kitchen Hacks. Post daily. Consistency is key. Switch to a business account to add your link in bio, even with 0 followers. Make every video a clear call to action. Link in bio to get this. One viral video can mean thousands of clicks and commissions. No inventory, no customer service, just content and your link. Use free tools, free content, and a little creativity. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. This is pure leverage. Turn your scrolling time into cash. Start today, and your first commission could be just 1 video away. Let's see how AI can make you a Quora genius next. On to hustle number 3. Want to make money writing, but don't want to spend hours? Use ChatGPT and Quora. Quora pays through its partner program for popular questions and answers. Use AI to answer trending questions in your chosen niche. Fitness, finance, tech, anything. Find high-traffic questions, copy them, and prompt ChatGPT. Act as an expert. Write a helpful answer for Quora. Edit the AI's response to add your voice and a personal touch. Post your answer. More views mean more earnings from Quora's ad revenue. Build authority by answering daily, and the algorithm will boost your profile. Add relevant affiliate links for extra income. Spend 30 minutes a day, and your answers become digital assets earning for you. No need to be an expert. AI does the heavy lifting. The more you post, the more you earn. Combine ad revenue and affiliate sales for double the income streams. This is how you build a passive income machine with minimal effort. Ready to let AI do your freelance work? Let's jump to Fiverr. Next up, hustle number 4. Side hustle 4. Freelancing on Fiverr, powered by AI. Offer services like logo design, blog writing, or voiceovers. Use free AI tools like Microsoft Designer for logos, ChatGPT for writing, 11 Labs for voiceovers. Create a gig, I'll design a modern logo, or I'll write a 500-word blog post. When you get an order, use AI to generate the work in minutes. Edit for quality, deliver fast, and collect 5-star reviews. Fast delivery means more orders and more money. Start with low prices to build reviews, then raise your rates. Offer bundles and premium services as you grow. you're not limited by your skills, just your ability to use AI tools. No upfront investment, just time to set up gigs. Scale by offering more services like social media content, product descriptions, and video editing. Build a real freelance business with $0. AI is your secret weapon for speed and quality. Ready for the ultimate lazy side hustle? Let's talk YouTube automation. On to the final hustle. Side hustle 5. YouTube automation. No camera, no face, and no editing skills required. Use InVideo AI to create entire videos from a single text prompt. Pick a popular niche: facts, beauty, meditations, luxury, history. Type your video idea. AI writes the script, generates a voiceover, finds stock footage, adds music, and edits it all. Edit if you want, but 80% of the work is done for you. Upload consistently. 1 video a day means 365 videos a year. Reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize with ads. Every video is a digital asset earning views and money 24/7. Scale fast. AI lets you produce more content than ever. No cost to start, just your time and creativity. Build a passive income machine that grows while you sleep. Start today, and your first YouTube paycheck could be closer than you think. Let's wrap up with your next steps. That's 5 powerful side hustles you can start today with $0. From Etsy to YouTube, the tools are free and the opportunity is massive. Don't overthink. Pick the one that excites you and commit for 30 days. No money, no special skills, no excuses. Just your phone or laptop. Imagine an extra $100, $500, or $1,000 a month, closer than you think. Action beats watching. Start now. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below which side hustle you'll try first. Let's go make some money. See you in the next video.